Hello everyone, welcome to Python session 2. Today we are going to see about data types and variables. The first one is integer. Integer is the whole number such as 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, and the syntax it will be like this. Integer within bracket 100. The next one is floating point number, numbers with a decimal point like 1.0, 11.1, 20.3, and the syntax it will be like float within bracket 100.o. The next one is strings. Strings it is a ordered sequence of character, and the syntax my string it is a variable is equal to hello within double quote. Either we can give a single quote as well. The next one is booleans. Booleans it is a logical operator. Result it can be either true or false. And the syntax for boolean is boolean with bracket. The next one is list. List it is a ordered mutable sequence of object. I will tell you what is mutable later point of session. Syntax for the list is my list, this is a variable, is equal to we are giving content with square bracket. The first one is a string within double quote. The second one is a float value which has a decimal point. The third one is string which has a single quote. The next one is tuples. Some of them will pronounce this as tuples. Tuples it is a ordered immutable sequence of objects. About immutable I will discuss in the later point of section. Syntax for tuple is like this is a variable what I have given, and this is the syntax we used to give for tuples. The same content I have given over here. The next one is dictionaries. Dictionaries which is unordered key value pair. Syntax for dictionary is the first one is key 1, this is a key, and the value for key 1 is like 1. The next key is key 2, and for value for the key 2 is 2, which we are given within double quote. The third one is key 3 is a key, and the value for key 3 is number 3, which we have given here. The last one is sets. Sets which is an unordered collection of unique objects. Syntax for sets is set within bracket we will give it can be either list, dictionary or tuples. Here I have given number 1, 2, 3 numeric character within double quote. So it is not an integer, it is a string. We have a lot of online as well as offline interpreters available to execute Python scripts. Today we are going to see shell console which is available in Python. For this we need active internet. Let me create a variable a, and assigning value to variable a is number 10. Just to check what is the type of variable. Type of variable a is integer. We will get response as integer. For b with decimal, let's check out the value for variable b. Python is giving response, this is a float value. Next variable I'm giving some value within double quote, it will be treated as string hello. Let's check type of variable. Yes, Python it is printing, it is a string. First let's see how calculations are happening in a very simple way. 1 plus 1, we are getting response as 1. In case if I am typing 1 within double quote plus, in double quote I am giving again 1, this time we will not get result 2, instead it will do concatenation. See, this is the difference between. Here we are getting value 2, but here we are getting value 11 because it is treating both the values as string, so it is going for concatenation instead of addition. Let's create a sample list. My list is equal to 1 comma 2 comma. The last one I'm going to give integer. Let me execute my list. So it will print the value. In case if we want only this index position value, then we can type my list index position 0. See, we are getting 0. And index position, it is like for this it will be 0, 1, 2. Indexing and slicing we can see quite later point of session in Python tutorial. Next one is tuples. Okay, let me create my tuple. Tuple syntax is, it will be within normal bracket only. The same value I'm giving over here, 1, 2 within bracket 3. Here our Python is printing error. Hey, you have missed something. It is not defined. We have created a tuple, but we have not assigned to the variable. So that is the issue here. So now it is successful. Let me call the variable. Yes, we are getting the value here for tuple. Here I mentioned, okay, it is a mutable. What is a mutable? For example, I'm taking a my list, what I mentioned. Let me call my list. My list, it has a value 1, 2 and integer 10. Since it is a mutable, we can replace this. So what I'm going to do, my list index position 0, I'm going to assign value as replaced. Now this is replaced. Let's see the result. Hope you can able to see the difference. So this is what we have replaced for this position. The next one is tuples. Yes, in tuple, let me call tuple variable. So my tup, it is having 1, 2, 3. Let me try to change the value. I'm taking index position 1. So index position 1 is 2. This is what index position 1. Always remember guys, index position always starts from 0. Here I am assigning 4. Let me mention 4. Here Python, it will throw the error. Type is tuple object does not support item assignment. This itself very clearly indicating that we cannot able to replace value in tuples. Next one is dictionary. Let me create my dictionary variable with curly brace. First one is I'm creating a key 1, value is 1. Next key is 2, value for 2 is integer 2. Next one is 3, value for 3 is string 3. So let me call the dictionary variable. Yes, we are getting value in dictionary. By providing key, we will get the value for it. In example, I'm typing my date index position. This is index position is 0, this is 1 and this will be 2. So I'm going to call the third position. So now I will get this value and also try to change the value for particular key. Let me try to change value for index position string key is 3. I'm going to change it. My date 3. Assigning integer value. Yes, it is replaced. Calling my dictionary variable. Yes, it is assigned to this key. The last one is sets. Let me show you how it will have only unique objects. Let me create another list. we'll mention 1 2 times, 2 2 times, 3 3 times, 4 2 times. I think this is fine. Okay, now we are going to use sets. I'm calling set function. Within set function, mentioning my list which I created just now. Now I will show you result. My sets. If you see here, it will have only 1 2 3 4. If it has more than one time or duplication, it will remove everything. It will give only unique result. That is why always sets used to have a unique collection of objects. Three things we have to keep in our mind while creating a variable. The first one is a variable name cannot start with a number. Let me show you in console. So I'm typing number first, then variable is equal to 10. It will throw the error because it has number in the beginning. The second one is a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Variable 1 is equal to 10. Yes, it is accepted. Next underscore variable 1. I need to assign value for it. Yes, it is success. Let me call underscore variable 1 variable. So it is giving a value. The third one is a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. It can be either A to Z, 0 to 9 and only underscore symbol. And one more thing, variables are case sensitive. Let me show you the difference between case sensitive. First I am creating a variable. For this I am giving value as 1. Second one is first letter is capital. For this I am giving value 2. Third one is all are uppercase. I am giving value 3. If I type all in small case, it will grab the value of this. The second one is if I type first letter capital, rest of them are in small case, then it will get value of 2. The last one is if I type all of them in uppercase, then we will get value of this variable. So this is the main difference. So while creating a variable, best practice to follow is lowercase. Built-in keywords cannot be used while creating a variable like integer, string, list, tuples, dictionary, set, etc. So these all are predefined built-in variables, so that we should not use while creating variables. In this session we have seen what is integer, what is floating point number, what is strings, what is list and how to create a list, tuples, how to create a tuples, dictionaries, how to create a dictionaries. At the last we have seen sets. Hope you guys find this session helpful. If so, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please feel free to post your comments in comment section. I will try to respond as early as possible. Keep watching. Thank you.